Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix two-factor authentication failed in Etoro. So let's get started. The first thing that you will need guys to do is to determine where this problem is coming from. It's either be from your side or from Etoro's side. So both sides could be the issue. So the first thing that I highly suggest you guys to do is to check if it is Etoro's side. So it's very simple. It's gonna take a few seconds to know that. So simply just go here, as you can see, and check if there is any problem related to login and basically the authentication, as you can see here. So for example, SMS verification for two-factor authentication, check if it is operational for your day or not. You can even go down here and check for past incidents and view reported any incident that is reported from that day that you have been trying to log in from. So once you find out that there is no problem from them, then you can move on to the next step. But for those who somehow find themselves with a problem from the Etoro side, then you will need eventually to wait for the Etoro to fix the issue. Normally it should take few hours for them to notice that and to fix it. So yeah, this is the first thing. Now for the second thing, as for people who has the problem, then what I would highly recommend you to do guys is to go and log into your account and basically make sure to go to here. So in order for you to actually activate the two-factor authentication, you will need to go here, as you will be seeing, and you will find this right here. Make sure to complete your account information as you will see here. So you need to fill out this personal information from personal details, personal objectives, phone verification, and proof of identity and proof of address. If you don't write them down correctly, then your authentication is not going to go through, and you will find this problem when you try to actually basically use your phone for two-factor authentication. You can go here, as you will see like here. So you can go to account, and from account you will be able then to actually find this button, which will give you the two-factor authentication. But as you can see here already, phone verification is required, so make sure to verify your phone number. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.